suicide. So, gusto ko lang itong ikwento sa inyo, guys. Bali, 3 days ago, meron ako na narinig na parang suicide siya because of depression. So, meron ako mga past na upload which is about sa depression, and gusto ko siyang ipagpatuloy na pag-usapan today. So, yun. Bali na-experience namin yun in reality, and it's not even easy. Sobra siyang seryoso when it comes doon sa depression ng isang tao. So, what we've been doing is we just talk about it. So, yung nangyari is yung nakakalungkot lang na part is yung mga tao na nade-depress, is sila pa yung masayahing tao. Like, you cannot found out at first na meron na pala silang iniindang problema or malaking problema or na hindi nila kayang i-handle. So, I made this video para, you know, para doon sa mga tao na mag-ask. Especially kung meron kayong family members na malayo sa inyo. You can ask like, simple, kamusta, or hello. Kasi it lift their feelings. Diba? Para makadagdag yun, parang kapalakas sa kanya, sa kanila, if in case they facing what's this called? They're facing problems at that time. So, based sa na-experience namin, or based sa case ng mother ko, there's something na nag-trigger sa kanya. Which is nawala yung dad ko. And the thing is, I understand it kung bakit. Kasi sobrang tagal ng kanilang pinagsamahan. And may mga different, naman siya, cases or reason, no, kung bakit nade-depress ang isang tao. So, siguro yun yung masasabi ko na hindi mo makikita sa panlabas ang isang tao na nade-depress na pala inside. And all you have to do is just to ask, kamusta na sila? That will, you know, makakadagdag sa kanilang, lakas ng loob. Hindi man fully, diba? Kasi, diba? Depende doon sa kanilang na-experience. Pero honestly, kapag makakarinig ka kasi ng kamusta, or kamusta, ganyan, how are you? Parang, alam niyo yun. Yung mafe-feel niyo na, ay, meron din palang, mahalaga din pala ako. Ganyan. And huwag mong i-ignore, huwag mong kapag na yung isang tao. Meron na kayong nakikita na iba. So, ayan. Kaya sa mother ko, she's now recovering. And I noticed naman na malaki yung naitulong nung gamot. Ayun, it's very important din to seek advice or to seek a help from a doctor. And, ayun na nga, hindi mo makikita talaga kasi merong mga jolly na tao na yung pagkakakala mo wala silang problema. At deep inside doon ang nagduhod na pala sila. I want to remove these pimples, pero hindi ko siya I will try it later after this. Kasi yung taga-isa ng aking pimples is wala today. So, kailangan kong ako mismo yung gagawa. Nasanay kasi ako na ano to, and at least here yung ano natin. Okay. So, ayun lang. It's just only a reminder lang din, for the people, yung sa family members natin. So, I just wanna ask now for the prayers also for the fast recovery and fully recovery of my mother. So, kung meron kayong questions, then don't hesitate to just leave me a comments. Ayan. I think that's all for my video today. You know, I cannot think of the video that I'm going to make, but yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's just a matter of time na napag-isipan ko na gumawa ng konting reminders for you, for those people na you know, na merong iniinda or merong na-experience na problems. And especially, ingatan din natin also yung mind natin. Kapag medyo nakakapag-isip tayo ng iba, mas better yung ibaling mo na lang siya sa other things na pwede mo siyang pagkakabalahan, yun lang yung pwede mo maisip, and that's it. It's very simple lang din. We cannot control kasi yung iniisip or yung gusto gawin ng ibang tao, but we can control kung paano tayo mag-react. And that's it na for today's video. Thank you!